we're going to be talking about grips, turns, and releases, or why curling is actually called curling. But to start, we need to explain the ice. So curling ice is not like hockey ice. Curling ice is what we call pebbled, so there are little droplets on the ice that are frozen. This is to allow the rock to curl and also to be able to move the rock with ease. So to help demonstrate, Kate joins us. As you can see, she is gripping the rock with a firm grip to allow easy movement and control over the rock. Her fingers are together to only allow one movement to affect the rock, and her thumb is wrapped around. For turns, she's either going to start it at 10 or 2 o'clock if you consider it an analog clock. If she has it at 2 o'clock, she's going to then release it at 12 o'clock, making the rock move counterclockwise. And the opposite is true for at 10 o'clock. If she releases it at 12 o'clock, it'll turn clockwise. The skip will then communicate to Kate which handle to put on the rock. They will do this by hand signals. In this case, the skip wants Kate to put a clockwise rotation on her rock. Therefore, she will start at 10 o'clock. Once she has her rock in place, she will do the slide as we talked about earlier. While she's sliding out, she needs to make sure to keep her handle at 10 o'clock until the last moment when she releases at 12. Now the skip has motioned to Kate that she wants a counterclockwise rotation. Therefore, she will start at 2 o'clock. She will do the slide as she did last time and maintain that 2 o'clock position until her release. Now, as she goes to release it, she will release at 12 o'clock. Now, the skip has motioned to Kate that she wants a counterclockwise rotation, which means Kate will start the rock at 2 o'clock. From here, she will do the slide as we talked about earlier, maintaining that 2 o'clock position. As she begins her release, she will turn it and release at 12 o'clock. In this case, the skip wants Kate to throw clockwise, so she will start her rock at 10 o'clock. Once her rock is set, she will do the slide as we talked about earlier. As she moves, she keeps the handle in place, and then at the end, she will release at 12 o'clock.